the camera begins to roll, the sleek 2026 United States luxury car emerges into the frame, gliding forward with a commanding presence. Its front view captures pure elegance, the LED headlights slice through the daylight like twin beams of innovation, while the bold chrome grille speaks the language of confidence and power. The car moves with precision, its aerodynamics whispering excellence, every motion synchronized with perfection. The metallic shine glows under the cinematic light, giving a glimpse of futuristic craftsmanship. The 8-second drive reveals not just a vehicle, but a masterpiece in motion, a symbol of new-age engineering. The frame shifts seamlessly into the front still image, freezing that iconic moment where luxury meets technology. Every line, every reflection tells a story of speed, class, and modern design. Then comes the rear shot, the back view of the car, sculpted like a piece of art, with smooth curves and a dual exhaust that hints at hidden power. The taillights beam with a distinctive signature glow, announcing the identity of a car born to lead the road. The lens then cuts back to the front again, where both windows are open, the interior breathes life and freedom, revealing the premium leather seats, the chrome-accented dashboard, and the ambient light that wraps the cabin like a luxury cocoon. This scene gives a perfect balance between comfort and performance. Finally, the back view returns for one last look, the full rear profile standing firm like a bold statement of perfection. The reflections dance over the body as if the car itself is alive, proud, and ready for the journey ahead. For the next several minutes, each detail glides across the frame, from the curve of the headlights to the strength of the rear bumper, from the softness of the interior leather to the futuristic sound of the engine. This is not just a car, this is innovation sculpted into motion. A 2026 creation that redefines power, passion, and prestige, made for those who dare to dream beyond limits. Every moment of this showcase celebrates excellence, engineering, and elegance in perfect harmony. As the video closes, the message is clear: the future of driving has already arrived, sleek, smart, and unstoppable.